Powered by Apple Intelligence, Math Notes excels in solving math equations in the blink of an eye. Whether you are a student, a professor, or a normal Joe, this all-new feature can be of a great help to you. If you have a liking for this all-new AI-driven feature, chances are you will love to learn how to launch Math Notes from the iPhone lock screen in iOS 18. It will save your precious time and let you start solving math equations a lot faster. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to bring up the lock screen on your iPhone by pressing the side button. Then you have to long press on the screen to enter the editing mode. Then tap on the customize button and choose lock screen. Then you have to tap on the minus button at the top of the quick action button that you don't need anymore. Then tap on the plus button. Then you have to scroll down to find calculator and select it. And finally, you have to tap on the done button at the top right corner of the screen and you are all set. From now onwards, you'll be able to launch your math notes right from the lock screen on your iPhone by just pressing the calculator icon, just like this. Super handy, isn't it? If you found this video helpful, do like, consider it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.